Meteorologist Heidi Wagner.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the KMAC Weather Lab. Very nice day across the South Plains with those 70-degree temperatures. As we head into tomorrow, though, a cool down on the way. The average temperature for this time of year is 66 degrees. So if we hit 87, we're going to be 21 degrees above average tomorrow. So again, can't stress it enough. Wear the sunscreen, stay hydrated. Now seeing just some much-needed rain across the region. These storms are moving to the east still, and they'll continue to do that throughout the evening hours. The good news is hail potential has decreased tremendously. Hail potential is pretty decent, especially over Bailey County and just to the northwest of Morton. So if you are in this region, try and take your car into a place of safety before the storm actually hits your region, and then get indoors and stay there until the storm passes. We have a big event going on tonight. Love for you to come out. Right now, a little bit warm, and that's all because of the high pressure system sitting over the region. It's going to be very easy to get those heat-related illnesses, and we don't want you to have any issues. So take breaks indoors, make sure to stay hydrated, and wear sunscreen if you are heading outside. The good news is the dust is slowly starting to die down as well. It doesn't seem like it, but literally 30 minutes ago, we could not see Texas Tech Stadium. Today, as many of you noticed, was quite above average for this time of year. Normally we're seeing temperatures around 53 degrees. Today a high of 69. So tonight temperatures will be cooling off quickly as a weak front pushes through, but temperatures tomorrow still remaining above average.
With the most accurate KMAC Weather Lab forecast, here's meteorologist Heidi Wagner.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the KMAC Weather Lab. Still has some severe thunderstorm warnings on the radar. You can see Terry County storm still in effect. We've actually extended it until 10:45 this evening. Do expect the chance for some large hail and damaging winds with this storm. It is pushing into the Brownfield region right now. So if you are in that region, try and stay indoors, especially since we do have that high potential for hail. The other storm actually pushing out of Yoakum County now. So that storm warning has expired, but we still have the warning for Gaines County until 10:30 this evening. Both of these storms, again, have that hail potential, and that's the biggest threat tonight. The one that is pushing into Gaines County has had 1-inch diameter hail so far this evening. So again, that's a high potential for this storm specifically, and you can see both the hail cores showing the red and pink colors, which is a bad sign. So stay indoors. Hopefully your cars are already under cover. If you're in the Higginbotham region, Denver City regions, definitely stay indoors because that storm is sitting right over your region, as well as in Brownfield. You can see if you're on 385, try and stay safe on the roads. If you see hail, pull over. Don't be driving while that's falling down. And again, we haven't had too many wind reports yet, but if these hail cores start to die down, we can see a gust of wind with them as well that can be up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. Again, as I said, Higginbotham, you're looking at the highest hail core at this point in time. These storms will continue to push into Gaines County, but you can see from the radar the storms that were up north producing some severe weather earlier tonight, now just producing rain, so many of you very lucky. And you can see storms are moving for the most part to the southeast at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. This storm specifically that's over Gaines County is almost curving back into New Mexico, so many of you may get the opportunity to miss some of the severe weather, which is always good. Unfortunately, also missing the rain, but we will keep you updated. And if you take a look at our live weather stations, you can see that we did get a little bit of rain at one weather site, and that's in Levelland. 1900ths of an inch of rain, 73 degrees, winds calm, but you can see that peak 59 miles per hour earlier today. So we have been getting strong wind gusts with these storms. Keep that in mind if you are in those areas. For Lubbock, not quite so much. 39 peak and 0 precip, 83 degrees right now. So if you are in Lubbock, nice rest of the night. And if you take a look at our futurecast, you can see we do have these storms dying off. 10 p.m. showing the majority of the storms. Now, granted, it's missing a little bit from Terry County, but we will take the general idea of the futurecast. You can see by 11 starting to die out in severity, and then by midnight, really not much at all. So not too much longer to worry about the severity of these storms. Then as we head into Saturday, calm conditions until about 7 p.m. And then we see a line of thunderstorms start to push into the South Plains. Models are now keeping it mostly in the northern South Plains. So many of you in the southern South Plains, unfortunately not seeing the rain, but again, there is that chance for some severe weather tomorrow, so you won't see that either. Then as we head into Sunday, you can see a much larger line of storms. Looks like Sunday's our next big chance for some showers and thunderstorms. So throughout the weekend, if you have outdoor activities, keep that in mind that we have these storms on the way and try and stay safe. Otherwise, temperatures for tomorrow as well as into Sunday remaining in the mid-90s, so should be very comfortable outside. Tonight, 69 degrees, 20% chance of those lingering showers and thunderstorms in the southern South Plains. Winds from the south at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 95 degrees, mostly sunny, and we'll put a 10% chance in for those showers and thunderstorms. And finally, your 7-day forecast showing those rain chances here. 10% for Saturday. Watch for Sunday. Rest of the week remaining dry, and we do have triple-digit temperatures on Wednesday. Today, again, is the first official day of summer, and it's finally going to feel like it as we head into this upcoming week.
Meteorologist Heidi Wagner.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the KMAC Weather Lab. Almost a perfect day across the South Plains, especially compared to yesterday, hitting a high of 55 degrees, right around average. And if you take a look at the radar satellite composite, you can see very clear conditions across the region. Showers and thunderstorms just clearing out of the state of Texas, moving into Louisiana and much of the eastern portion of the United States. We're excited to see a little bit of clear weather, especially since we do have some big changes on the way. First, we're going to take a look outside at our live weather stations, and you can see it is going to be a little bit chilly this evening, already dropping to 40 degrees in Olton. Winds are relatively calm today, though. We will continue to see 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. Moving over in Abernathy, 46 degrees. And winds again, very calm at this point in time. Humidity down as well. And that's because we don't really have much cloud cover or moisture in the region. Finally, in Lubbock, 50 degrees, a little bit warmer, 24% humidity. And if you are heading out tomorrow, you're going to be seeing temperatures a little bit cooler than today, but not by much. It's going to be a very pleasant day outside. So if you want to head out there, you take a look at our area highs. You can see 50 degrees for Lubbock tomorrow, a little bit cooler in the areas to the north and to the west, but otherwise looking like a very pleasant Sunday afternoon. The only thing I really want to stress is that there is the chance for a little bit of fog in the southern counties. So if you are in these counties, please be careful while driving on the roads. We want to keep you safe. And as we head into Monday, really not much of a change. Temperatures are going to be cool during the morning hours, so don't forget those pets and plants. Bring them indoors. We don't want to have them getting too cold outside. 28 degrees is what models are showing for Monday morning. Monday afternoon, back to around 47 degrees. We're going a little bit warmer, around 52, 53, but again, very pleasant conditions to start out the week. And then as we head into Tuesday, that's when we see a bigger change, and that's because we have a strong front pushing through the region. This is the newest model run, and it is showing rain showing up by Tuesday morning. You can see, though, models have a little bit of a change from what we were looking at yesterday, showing a nice bullseye of showers and thunderstorms in the northeastern portions of the South Plains as well as near Wichita Falls. So we will be keeping an eye on this, possibly bumping up those chances of precipitation for Wednesday now as well. Yesterday only showing the bulk of the rain on Tuesday. And if you want to head out tomorrow, should be a great day to head outdoors. Bundle up in the morning, but then shed all the coats off because we're getting to around 50 just like we saw today. 27 though for your 9 a.m. temperature. Winds only 5 to 10 miles per hour. And your 7-day forecast, you can see very pleasant conditions. We have 20% chance of those showers, possible thunderstorms on Tuesday. We bumped up Wednesday to 10%, and if models continue to show the same things they're doing now, bumping it up Wednesday a little bit more.